Peak Snow Beast beam wiper blades are the ideal solution for vehicles navigating through extreme weather and sub-zero temperatures. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with Pinch Tab DB wiper arms. Pinch Tab DB wiper arms are among the easiest to install because you won't need any of the additional adapters, just the blade itself. First, squeeze the sides of the front of the adapter and pull the adapter latch up to open. Next, with the wiper arm in the upright position, place the wiper arm onto the adapter so that the tabs at the back of the wiper arm are captured in the side slot of the adapter. Then, push the front of the adapter into the front of the wiper arm. Then, push the adapter latch back down until it locks into place. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a protective cover over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Ready to easily wipe away everything winter throws at you with your new Peak Snow Beast wiper blades.